Hello guys, and welcome back to another class of our course about the complete introduction to data science. So in this class we are going to set up NumPy on our text editor. For the purpose of this course I'm gonna work with PyCharm since it's one of the biggest text editors for Python, and yeah, so we are gonna work with it. So to install PyCharm, it's pretty simple. Simply go on Google and write down PyCharm. When it's all done, you should be on a window like this. And to download PyCharm, it's pretty simple. It's gonna be here, so simply click on the download PyCharm link. Then pretty simple, you have two versions. You have professional and community. Download the community version. It's free and it's open source, so all the steps to install it are here. So simply click on the download button and you are supposed to have it. When it's all done, you should be on a page that looks something like this, so it will ask you a few questions. But basically, when all the download is done and you have created your first project and everything, now it's time for us to set up NumPy on our PyCharm text editor. So pretty simple how this will work. So first of all, you guys will need a project, so simply create yourself a project right here. So it's gonna be new project. When you guys have a project, in my case I have a project, it's project 1. So pretty simple, we are going to go on settings. And in this case, you guys will have a lot of tabs. So you have appearance, you have version, you have project. In this case, it's project 1, which is my project. And you will download, you will put PyCharm, you will put NumPy on your project. So in this case, it's pretty simple. You will simply go on your project, you will have project structure and Python interpreter. You should have two things, so pipe and setup tools. So pretty simple, you simply click on the plus button right here. And here you look for NumPy. So basically all our Python tools that we are gonna work with them, we will download them all right here. So pretty simple, you simply write down NumPy here and then you click on install package. So as you can see, the installation is happening right now. So basically this way you guys will all have NumPy installed on your text editor, and from this moment we are able to write down all codes in NumPy. So as you can see, package NumPy installed successfully, and this is so from this moment all codes written with all codes or all orders that will be written with NumPy features in them will work. Besides of that, you will not be able to execute the codes that you write with NumPy features in them. So you really need to do this first step before being able to make any calculation with features to NumPy inside of your code. So that's it for this class, guys, and see you all in our next class, where we are going to start writing our first Python codes with NumPy features in them.